This is how we feed our dog now. After she got spaded, she didn't want to eat. Right, girl? Zena. And she's used to it now. Look at this girl. But she's our baby. 7-year-old baby.
All done. No more.
No more. Good girl.